it's Allison, your Flik registered dietitian. Today's quick 2-minute nutrition video is all about saturated fats. I'm going to share 3 tips with you for how you can cut back on your total saturated fat intake and swap in some of those heart-healthy unsaturated fats. The dietary guidelines for Americans recommend no more than 10% of total calories come from saturated fat. You can find saturated fat in animal products such as beef, poultry, and lamb. You can also find it in full-fat dairy products like whole milk, ice cream, and butter. Unsaturated fats are found in plant-based products like plant oils, nuts, and seeds, as well as fatty fish such as salmon or mackerel. The 3 tips that I want to share with you today can really help you with making that swap so that you're cutting back on the saturated fats but increasing the unsaturated fats in your diet. The first is to use plant-based oils in cooking in place of butter. By doing that, you're increasing the unsaturated fats and you're swapping out those saturated fats. The second is to try blending in plant-based products such as beans or even some nuts or seeds when you're using ground meats. That helps to cut back on the total meat, also cutting back on the total saturated fat, and can give you a boost of unsaturated fats. And the final is to choose alternatives such as fish or plant-based proteins in place of those proteins that are naturally sources of saturated fat. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you at the next Nutrition Notes video.